Hi again. Mr. Whittingham here again. Just going through the mobile version of how to set up registering for the classes. So as you will see down here, you will see the names, right? So you will select that for Miss Clark. You will select that for Miss Roberts. So it depends on if you have maths and bio that you're interested in, you can do that. So you're not limited to just selecting one. It just depends on the number of classes you're willing to take at that time. But if it's only one, then you would just take one. All right, so I just want to show you that. Now, student grade level, let's say grade 10 to 11, right? The email is compulsory. So I will just put this here as an example. So let's see what else is missing. Well, name of parent. Sure. So pardon me for being as silent as I am. And again, yeah. So with that said, this line, the email is compulsory. The name of the student is compulsory. Of course, you would naturally want to put your name. Well, the reason why I didn't make that compulsory was because some people are not requesting the classes for their children, but rather for themselves. So, so there you go. So let's just move on. Let's go to next and see what happens. Okay, so now we have, are you interested? Naturally, you would say yes. And then of course you would do that. Then of course you have this right here. That would be the time for 10 to 11. And then of course another time for 10 to 11. Then we move on to next. Then of course, because I said Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm going to select 3. Now if I had said Tuesday to Friday, no, that would have been 4. Or Monday to Friday, that would have been this. So you just select in accordance to the number of days you picked. And then you can talk about your preferred method of payment. And then, are you interested in SAT? You probably are, you probably not. If not, you can just select no and skip that question below. Or if yes, you can do that right there. So that is the end of the tutorial, really and truly. So let me press submit. And there you have it. That is how we get to completing the form. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around. We still a learn. Thanks again.